This used to be the machine area. And before that, this used to actually be my office that I shared with Glenn Pappas and Dickie Dumont. And my office chair was right where that wall was. And I had all the computers on the wall over there, all the servers, which we eventually moved. And this is all the different things in the building. Now the blue boxes come from China.
I can see Peter and Paul's desks. They're right here.
Nice. The desks are leaving. Excellent.
Peter's desk, Paul's desk.
Peter's desk and Paul's desk. Actually, Peter's desk is upstairs in my office.
Oh, really?
I replaced it because I wanted to save it. Yeah, that's another one, but that was actually Paul's desk. Which is pretty nice. Yeah, the monster's definitely Paul's desk.
Do a little remodeling to get that out.
Here's an example of a big diamond blade. Yeah, I'm just taking a little video for old time's sake what this place used to be like. I wish I had done this before we had shut down the actually production, you know? Would have been neat. This is our shipping center over here. Our ace shippers package stuff up, strap it, and get it out. This is our system that we use to barcode and communicate. Would weigh it. It all integrates with the my computer system, MRP. Not Mass Republican Victory, but Manufacturing Resource Planning. And then now it goes to SAP. This is our shipping table, where they take the blades that are shipped. Here we've got a blade from PTS. They're based out of, I don't even know. Looks like Palmer, Mass. And we got some with our new Wish logo. These are heading out to Pompano Beach, Florida. Got bits on the wall over there. This is where we do our printing, everything else. Lots of stuff. Lots of blades come in from China. Put stickers on everything. Made right in America. Nope, not anymore. This Easy Green was the system we used to sell diamond blades. Notice the funky arbor? That's what helped us sell millions of dollars worth of blades. Depending on the aggregate up there, you'd know which blade color to use. It worked out very well. Don't see an orange. I mean, don't see red. We used to use green and red all the time. Interesting. And down there we have the shield, plastic shield that we use. Here's a shield right there that the skid plate snaps right into. An oldie but a goodie, the 5P printer. This guy's been here probably printing like a champ for 15 years. I don't know if there's a date on it, but it's been over here working its tail off. Well done. These are shoes for Edco, polishing grinders. Very, very popular. Edco is one of our largest customers. Over here is our paint booth. We would put the blades down and paint them up. And then you'd see the silk screens. There's a silk screen right there. There's another one right there. You would have a book right here. It would tell you how. You know, for this company, you would use a gray blade, and you wouldn't bit the screen. On this one, the bits would be our colors, and all the blades would be yellow from North Central Supply. Thousands of customers from all over the country. Over here we have the paint booth. This is where our employees would come over and they'd paint the blades, they'd paint the rim, and they'd look real nice. See all the rim coverings and everything else. Store the paint in there. Up here we've got Tom Brady and Celtics pictures. Whenever we won, they'd throw something up. Very nice. If we went down the stairs right there, you'd go to our laser room, but we no longer use it, so we've blocked the door off, and nothing's down there now. This was our freight elevator, our dumbwaiter between the first and second floor. We shut it down because it just cost too much. The elevator inspection was like $2,000 a year just to keep it running. It just wasn't worth it, so now we have this empty shaft instead. Glad nobody fell down that. This was actually my first office right here. Where we're sitting right here with this pole. I put my first computer server in here and the internet. And this was my first office. I was right here. Matt Peterson was over there. Michael Burke was over there. And Dave Stoddard, safety director, was all the way over there. We shared this 4-person area. And I set a server up here, and we made it be a fax server, and I ran all my phone lines down here, and it worked out really well. A couple summers ago, I had my son come in and take out all the wires so I could reuse the wires and he could scrap the rest. Now I think this is used for returns, and you see some returns lying on the floor there. I suspect after November 5th, when the election's over and there's anything left down here, I'll probably come down and save a couple souvenirs. But these are what the diamond blades look like. They come back for all sorts of reasons. These are called rakers to help prevent undercutting. And here's a bit right here, and you can see the segment chipped off. They must have hit something, or it was a bad weld. Probably hit something. Our trades show stuff went in here. Tech Corporation in Irving, Texas. This is something for me to save. This was our company in Texas. And obviously we've sold the company and we've sold the property, but this is a nice little thing to save. So I'll put that in my pocket. There's another one for New England Diamond. Hopefully I have time to come down here and get everything. Here's another NED brochure. This was some type of testing equipment that I don't think anybody ever used, but it cost a lot of money. And here's some old tech blades. Very, very neat stuff. A little sad, I've got to rush out of here. These were the early blades that we sold. Notice the funky arbors are square. Unfortunately, that meant they could go on 2 ways, and people would put them on improperly, and then they would run out of round. And so we adjusted that shape later. And a lot of returns over here, just stacking them up. That's the new shape. This probably is a darn good blade. Probably could sell it. Don't know what'll happen to it. Muminoff Steel was one of the companies we bought a lot of steel from. The Germans made good stuff, and that's pretty neat. There's some tungsten I bought, some samples. Since our engineer was over here, he probably kept samples, and I literally have no idea what's under there in those cabinets. Over here we just have some random boxes, some equipment stuff for sales. And now let's move over to the office. Okay,